morning. My name is Bill Honan. I am an employee here at Greenstreet Gardens. I'm a part-time employee. I'm in retail sales, but I'm a little bit of everything, helping out wherever I can. I've been in the industry pretty much my entire life. I'm retired actually now, but I come here to Greenstreet to have fun, to assist customers, and the team here at Lothian is a fun team, and we have a good time, and I really enjoy it. Helping customers, a lot of people come in, they're new to gardening, they have a lot of questions. Some of them think that they're stupid questions, and I always tell them there's no stupid questions. And it's wonderful, I think, to take them through, look and see their home situation. Some bring photographs, drawings of their homes, young people in new homes, and you help them develop a plan, maybe not purchasing all of the plants all at once, but getting a plan for doing some plantings this spring, and then maybe next fall, and then in future years. And people enjoy that, and they like coming back, and there's nothing more rewarding for me to have someone come in and ask for me personally, because I've helped them out in the past. I'm pretty versatile in all of the nursery stock and color, perennials, but the nursery is really something that's dear to my heart. I've always been a plant person or gardener myself, and it continues to be fun. One of the ways that when a customer comes in and they're new to gardening, I kind of give them an idea, kind of take them through a tour through the nursery to give them an idea, first of all, where the different categories of plants are located in the nursery, and also specific questions that may come up that they may have with plants. Here we start off in the perennial department. Perennials, of course, are plants that come back each year. Very popular. People that want color, different phases of color throughout the season, can integrate perennials with annuals to have year-round color. And then as we come through the perennials, we start to go into the nursery department.
Do you know if we have any of the irises that you plant like in and around the water?
Here we juniper, flowering shrubs, barberry, nandina, and we take, generally what I do is take people through the different aspects of nandina. We have 3 or 4 different varieties here. Here we have an old farm truck that we use to display and merchandise our small fruits, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and grapes are under the willow. Boxwood, we have probably about 7 or 8 different varieties of boxwood, very popular. Ilex helleri, low-growing ilex. This section here is pretty much all of hollies or ilex. Here we have our rose section. Probably have about 10 or 12 different varieties of roses. Knockout roses, which pretty much bloom. These are drift roses. These actually were overwintered here, and they just start come into bloom again here now. And then as we work down here, this is our native plants. These are plants that are native to Maryland, and it's getting a lot of play in gardening news, and people come in asking specifically about native plants. Bayberry, American holly, Amelanchier, shadblow, which is one of the first flowering plants in the spring in this area. This is what we call the tree line, where we have shade and ornamental trees. Now we go into our shade house where we have our hydrangeas, rhododendron, azaleas, and the perennials that do better in shade. The hostas are very popular. Of course, we have situations where people have a deer issue, and hostas are one of the deer's favorite foods. So we can either recommend plants that deer are not interested in, or we do have products that can be applied to plants that will minimize what deer will want to eat. Ferns, the stilby just now coming into bloom, many different varieties, whites, pinks, reds.